How to add effects on Instagram notes, add special celebration effects on Insta note. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to add fun and exciting effects to your Instagram notes, whether you're celebrating something special or just want to spice up your notes. I'm going to show you how to do it step by step, so let's get started. First things first, open up your Instagram app and make sure you're logged into your profile. Now simply go to your DMs tab. At the top, you can see a note section. Note is a cool feature where you can share short temporary text updates with your followers. Here you can simply add your quick thought or a fun update or something special like a celebration. Now when you add a celebration emoji, simply search for celebration emojis on your phone, simply put it, and as you can see, it has simply added celebration special effects. These emojis will automatically animate in your note and bring a fun festive vibe. And that's it, you've successfully added some awesome effect to your Instagram note.